Hello guys, welcome in Machine Tools Workshop. My name is Augustin Hakizimana. I'm instructor in RP, IPRS Kigali. The topic of today is reciprocating machine. Reciprocating machine is classified as conventional machines since even this machine is operated manually. First of all, safety precautions is very important and necessary in Machine Tools Workshop. For that, you have to follow those measures. Remember to wear safety glasses, gloves, overcoats or overalls, and safety shoes. Now, let's see one of the main reciprocating machine, a shaper. A shaper, also called shaping machine, is reciprocating types of machine tool used for producing flat surfaces with help of a single point cutting tool reciprocating over stationary workpiece. These flat surfaces may be horizontal, vertical, inclined, and grooved. We have also stepped surfaces. Working principle for a shaper machine. A single point cutting tool reciprocating over stationary workpiece which is clamped on the table. Working principle of shaping machine. A single point cutting tool reciprocates over the stationary workpiece which is clamped on the table. The tool is held in the tool post of the reciprocating ram and performs the cutting operation during its forward stroke. It may note that during the backward stroke of the ram, the cutting tool doesn't not remove the material from workpiece. And those strokes, forward and backward, make a working cycle of shaper. The reciprocating motion of cutting tool is obtained either by the crank and slotted lever with quick return motion mechanism or with quick return motion mechanism. Now, let's see the main part of shaper machine. Main part of shaper machine are base. The base, this one, it is a heavy structure of cast iron which supports other parts of a shaper. We have a column or frame. It's a box-like structure made up of cast iron and mounted upon the base. The ram, it is a reciprocating member which reciprocating on the guideways provided above the column. It carries a tool post on its head and a mechanism for adjusting the stroke length. We have also the tool head. The tool head is attached to the front portion of the ram with the help of nuts and bolts. It's used to hold the tool rigidly. A cross leg, this one, is attached to the front vertical portion of column, and it is used for the following purposes. It helps in leveling of the table over the column in upward and downward direction. The table can be moved in the direction perpendicular to the axis of the ram. Before working on the shaper machine, we have to take care and safety when we work on shaper machines. First of all, never stand in front of the working shaper. Before starting the machine, make inspection of the workpiece. My workpiece now is a round bar, which after the performing, it will be a square bar. Then, lubricating or reciprocating points according to the regression. And after the work, of course, we have to clean the machine and to restore the workpiece. Now, how to set the work? I begin by setting my workpiece is a round piece. To fix it tightly, after, we have to set the cutting tool, a single point cutting tool. Now my work is clamped. I have now to check the moving part of my shaper. Now they are okay. Now I can start my work. First of all, switch on the machine. And set the cutting speed. Now I have set the third speed. And after, I take the depth of cut. Now I have taken 1 millimeter and start machining. Now I have to put the automatic system of the table. My table now moves automatically. As I have said, when I have the backward stroke, my cutting tool doesn't cut. It cut only in forward stroke. Now I reach at the end of the first pass. I can take the pass from left to right or right to left. Now I take another speed of 1 millimeter and I put automatic table from left to right. Regular inspection is necessary when my machine is working. You have to inspect all moving parts and to see if there isn't a problem. Now I start machine. Now, my first surfaces is ready. I have to go to the second surface. For the second surface, I start by setting my cutting tool. Okay. I take the first feed. Start machine and put the automatic over table. Now my table moves from the left to right. The cutting tool reaches at the end of pass and I stop the machine. And now my work is ready. Is ready. First of all, I have to clean it before to control my measurement. The size of work. With the file, I clean all faces. Take my vernier caliper for inspection of the size. Now I have portfolio, means that my work, my final product is square. As you see on this drawing, my final work has the base of form square. Form square. And its length it's 90. My final product is okay. Wood size is cleaned. Now I have to put it in a good place. So that metal product can be used in machine construction. There is possibility, of course, of putting it on it. And you have to know that in manufacturing and production, not only one kind of machine, but also another types of machine can be used in order to ensure the complementarity in machining process. As you see, now my work, my final product is ready. Before measurement, I have to clean it properly. All surfaces. So, this metal product can be used in machine construction where there is a possibility of putting on it. Now, you have to know that in manufacturing and production, not only one kind of machine, but also other types of machine can be used in order to ensure the complementarity of machining process. Thank you for your watching, and see you next time.